If you find it annoying that Gmail separates your emails into multiple tabs like promotions, social, and updates, you can easily turn it off and switch back to a single inbox. This will help you see all your emails in one place, instead of missing important messages in different categories. First, open Google Chrome and go to Gmail. Make sure you are logged into your Gmail account and click on the settings icon in the top right corner. Now select See All Settings. Next, go to the Inbox tab. Here, you will see category options like promotions, social, updates, and others. Simply uncheck all of them. Once you do that, scroll down and click on Save Changes. Now, go back to your Gmail inbox and you'll see all your emails in one unified inbox instead of separate tabs. If this Gmail tip helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick how-to tutorials.